What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a taste test today. My girl ran to the store. She picked out some items that she wants me to taste. Mind you, I'm going to be wearing a blindfold, and I do not know what she picked out. I feel like I have a good palate, so I think I'm going to do pretty well. We'll see. I love snacks. I'm a foodie, so I don't know if she got snacks. I don't know if she got like food or anything, so let's get to the video, all right?
Yeah. You can't see anything?
Nope.
Okay.
All right.
Ready for the first bite?
Oh, round one. Let's go.
Let's start off with this.
Smell it. Oh man, easy. Hold on. I don't know the name of it, but it's a gummy, right? And it's like a circle, right? I don't know what they're called though. Does that count?
No, you need to know the name.
I don't know the name of it. All I know is a circle, and it's a gummy. That's all I know. I don't know the name. I don't really eat candy like that.
What does it taste like?
It's sweet. It almost tastes like a sweeter version of a Sour Patch Kid, you know?
You have to at least know the flavor. Because you have the gummy part, right?
Flavor. Watermelon.
Nope.
Oh, man.
You have one more try.
Cherry?
Nope.
Nope. All right. On to the next
Do you
one.
want me to tell you?
Yeah.
They're peach rings.
Peach ring. Oh, peach rings. Oh, my. Okay. All right. All right. On to the next one. Oh, shit. Hey, I'm sorry. Yeah, y'all might think just because I picked up my water like that I can see, but I can't. I just knew where my water was. All right. Let's go to the next one. Man, this is a peanut. It's easy.
It's not a peanut.
It's not a peanut?
No.
It's an almond.
Yeah, it's an
Okay,
almond.
see, yeah. Yeah, got that almond. I was
Okay.
close. Same family. Oh, man. Oh, sorry. Where's that?
I need you to get a big bite, okay?
Oh, wow. Oh, can I hold it?
No, don't hold
Okay.
it.
Damn, it's dry.
Come on.
Man, I feel like I've been into a sandbox. Man. Yo, that's a moon pie.
Yeah, you got it right.
Because I hate moon pies. That's all I know what it is. Ugh.
Okay, let's go on to the next one.
Yo, if y'all like moon pies, y'all nasty. Those things are
I
gross.
thought you liked them.
Nah, those things are nasty. So dry. What is it? Next?
Well, I'm gonna have to show the camera.
Oh. Yeah, see? So, what am I? Two.
Okay.
Two right. I know what this is. It's a peanut butter cracker.
Yeah.
Yep.
What kind of cracker?
Peanut butter.
No, the cracker's not a peanut butter. The inside is peanut butter.
It's not a Ritz cracker, but see, I don't know the name of it. All I know is it's orange. It's orange, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's orange. That counts, man. I don't know the name.
It's cheddar.
Oh, it's cheddar? Oh, so it's a cheddar peanut butter. Okay. That counts as one, too.
It's
So what am I, 3 and 1?
I'm not counting.
3 and 1, yo. I told you, palate, man. I got that palate. Give me some. Hey, where the chillins at? Shoot.
Okay. Put your head back.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I know for a fact these are corn nuts.
What flavor?
I know they're not. They're ranch.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah. I used to eat those all the time in high school. Oh. All right. 4 and 1, yo. 4 and 1. See, I'm doing good. Yo, let's you know what? This is nothing. This is easy. Oh. Man, I'm starting to get hungry though. All right, let's go to the next one. Where's that? All right. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Really good. It's chewy, hard. Ugh. It's nasty. It's like old lady candy. Well, oh, stress. Let me take a dentist. You know they ain't open right now.
What does it taste like?
It tastes not. It tastes nasty. That's what it tastes like. Can I pass? I don't know what this is.
No, you have to get it.
Yeah. All right. Let me see.
Okay, what?
Oh, hold on. I think I know what this is. That's caramel, right?
No.
I don't know. I'm just gonna get it. I'm gonna give up on this one. I don't know. Sorry, y'all.
This is called a big hunk.
See, but I don't even know what that is. Who eats big hunks?
It's in the chocolate section, but it is chewy honey sweetened nougat with whole rusted peanuts.
That don't even sound appetizing. Like I'm gonna go. Like I'm watching Netflix. I'm like, give me the chocolate peanut hunks. Like what? All right. Well, I need some water after that.
Okay.
My taste buds mad at me for that. Ah. All right. Where the chocolate at, man? Whew. All right. Where's it at? Okay. On to the next one. So what is that? That's I'm 4 and 2.
I'm not counting.
Okay, 4 and 2, yo. 4 and 2. 4 and 2, yo. What is this? Oh, ugh. I don't know what these are, cause I don't even eat these. It's those peas. It's green and it's like a little pea. I don't know the name. See, I'm not.
You don't like it because it's not healthy.
Yes, cause see, it's healthy, but it's gross. Like if you gonna give me something healthy, at least make it like taste good, you know? Cause if it tastes good, I'm gonna eat it. That's it. So if it's it just so happens that it's healthy and it tastes good. That's a win-win. But that's nasty though. That's nasty.
Okay. Ready for the next one?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Yeah, tastes like cardboard, man. God.
Open up.
All right. Oh, see? I told y'all, man. I told y'all. This is the watermelon Sour Patch Kid.
Yeah, you
See
got
it?
it.
I'm telling you, I used to eat all these. When I used to watch Arthur, I'm chewing these from the candy store down the street. Man, hold on. Oh, it's so good. About time you give me something good. All right. All right, let's go. Oh. Man, I'm telling y'all, I can't see. This stuff is just too easy, man. I'm telling you, that's a goldfish. Because I eat those all the time. Way better than Cheez-Its, you know? Let me know in the comments. Goldfish or Cheez-Its? Which one, man? Personally, I think I love goldfish. I can eat more goldfish than Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its are alright, but, you know. I just prefer goldfish. Do I take a big bite?
No.
Okay. Sounds like it's going to be something sour. Man, I'm telling you. Lifesaver. Chewy Gummy Lifesaver. Am I right?
It's called the Lifesaver
Okay.
Gummy.
Okay, Lifesaver Gummy. See, I'm still right. Oh, that reminds me, like, when we used to go to the movies, they close now, but you go to the movies, you get some, like, Gummy Lifesavers and stuff. Because, you know, you can't buy no candy from
But you don't
the
like
movie
candy.
theaters. Yeah, I don't really like candy, but sometimes, it's, like, rare when I eat it, you know? I'm more of a chocolate guy. But, as you can see, chocolate, you know? But, okay, next, let's go. Let me get back on track. Sorry, y'all. Let's go. Oh, man. I got a problem, man. You know you have a problem with food and snacks when everything you eat you can guess right. Because that is a Pringle, sour cream, and onion. Right?
No.
Oh, man. Look at me.
You were so confident.
I know. It was a Pringle, though, right?
Yeah.
See, I got that right. Can I get another one? No.
Sure.
Let me get one more. Cause I swallowed that one, not even tasted it. As soon as I thought Pringle, I just swallowed it. Okay. Tastes like vinegar.
So what do you think it is?
It's a vinegar. Yep, vinegar Pringle.
Just vinegar?
That's all I taste. Vinegar and onion.
Oh my gosh, no. It's salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar, that's the same thing. Come on. Onion got salt in it. I think, you know. So is that wrong or did I get that right?
You got half a point.
Half a point is better than nothing though. See, I knew Pringle off the back.
Okay, this is the last one.
Oh, let me get some water. Man. Oh. Whew. All right. Okay, what is this?
Okay, let me get
Come on.
Get a big bite.
A big bite? Oh, okay. It's not that moon pie again, right? It's a Nutter Butter. Nutty Buddy, whatever, man. Same thing. Man, I'm gonna tell you memories, man. You know, hey. I know y'all like Nutter Butter. You know, that's good. Let me get another bite. Please. I know I got it right, but dang, that thing tastes good.
These are kind of big.
Yeah, they are. Nutter Butter. Nutter Butter is whatever. Hey, man, they're good.
So out of all of them, which one was your favorite?
Should I go by the ones I like or the ones I dislike first? Which one?
Your favorite.
Okay, my favorite one was... Those were some good ones. Honestly, I thought you were going to hit me with like a Reese's or, you know, some Twix. I know, but I was hoping I was going to get one of those, man. I've been craving those. Then the last one, the Nutter Buddy, whatever.
Yeah?
Yeah, that one. Yeah, my least favorite was that moon pie. I'm telling y'all, man. It's like she was trying to kill me. That thing was dry as hell. Sahara Desert dry shit. Yeah, so the moon pie I hate.
You can take out the blindfold.
True. Oh, look at that. I'm over here talking with the blindfold on, y'all. Oh, okay. So, whew. How y'all think I did, y'all? Honestly, I think I did great, honestly. Like, I got most of them right. The only ones I pretty much got wrong was that nasty moon pie. I got half on the Pringle because it was vinegary, but like it tastes like an onion too. What was the other one? What was the other one that I didn't get?
You didn't like. Well, you got it right, but you didn't like the green peaches.
Yeah, that one. Green peaches. I felt like the green peaches and the Lifesaver kind of taste the same. But like I said, I'm not a big candy guy. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know how you guys liked the video. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and give the video likes. And stay tuned because there's more videos coming up. All right, thank you. And
finally I can fly and be free.